Studies have shown that city parks and open spaces improve our lives on several levels, from the physical to our psychological health. City parks are powerful tools for local economies too, and the Tower Center at Unity Square in Bartlesville is the perfect example of how a vision of a better community can come to life.
So the city and Ambler Architects and the design committee that came together to put this beautiful space together, it just all lined up. So it was really fascinating to watch the city work with the architects, and then the citizens of Bartlesville came on board just to help out with everything as well.
Unity Square is made up of the area between two of the city's stars, if you will, the Price Tower and the Bartlesville Community Center.
They were not utilizing the in-between space very well, so they really dreamed of a place that families could come, where we could have concerts. We've had picnics, community events, but then people just kind of hang out here on the weekends and stuff.
One of the ways Unity Square has come alive is through the sound of music.
All right, let's keep going.
We have the musical instrument park, and those instruments were donated by the Leadership Bartlesville class and the Young Professionals of Bartlesville.
There's the White Bison at one end of Unity Square, next to the sidewalk by Price Tower. The designer and artist Kevin Box grew up in Bartlesville. Then there's something I found quite captivating.
We have the native color flowers, which are huge, just beautiful replicas of the Indian blanket flower, which is the Oklahoma wildflower. So the artist there is Amy Jacobson. We have 3 little bees that sit on top of the flowers that tell us that those represent Bartlesville, because those are the worker bees, the people that come and go out of these buildings downtown that work, people that are serving in the restaurants, and just, you know, the busyness of the town.
Across from that area is the Ted and Melody Lion Pavilion, where they hold concerts and other events.
I've heard parents say, you know, it really inspired my child to take dance lessons or to take music lessons because they've come out here and seen a performance on the stage, or they themselves have come out and just had a little picnic.
It's been said city parks make cities more resilient. Parks attract tourists, filling hotel rooms and bringing customers to local stores and restaurants. Unity Square is aptly named, as it has not only united the community, but it did so through combining art and nature.
I think it knocked our quality of life up a couple of notches here. Everybody in town uses it.
So it's just kind of a multifaceted place for big events, small events, families. It's wonderful. Another wonderful thing about Bartlesville.